Alright guys, this is my last video, so I just wanted to say, first of all, this is going to be my next steps reflection video, but I just wanted to first say thank you all very much for your guys' help and support and everything, and you guys are a real blessing. I love all you guys. I can't thank God enough for you guys, but moving on from that, as far as the importance of my voices as a future teacher, I think it's very important because we need a lot of male teachers, just like we need a lot of female teachers, because there might be somebody out there, some kid that doesn't have, a mom or dad, and we're just that male or female figure for them, you know. Um, the students' voices are also very important because we need to listen to them in case they need help with something, or they need this, or they need that. We need to be able to help them, not just on an educational level, but if we can, a personal level too, as long as it's within certain boundaries. Some things that I've learned, not only um, regarding to the content of this class, but about myself, is through this class I've learned that I really do want to teach. There's nothing I'd rather do. I love kids. I love the stress of it, everything. I love doing stuff with the kids. To me, it's an amazing job. How can I plan to use this knowledge to move forward and become, a better teacher? Is I can really look back on the center style of teaching. I saw that in my class, and I read that in the book. So I thought, reading it and seeing it in action, I thought that was pretty cool. So I'm looking forward to trying that. And then something that I would like to share overall is, well, I already did it in the beginning, but something I'd like to share is that I know we can all do it, and we're gonna make it. Might not seem like we're always going to, but whether it be teaching or not, I believe in all of you. I think we're gonna be able to do this. Kick it.